Hey there, Cham here of InMotion.press, and today I'm gonna make my own iGloo review. And iGloo is a page creation app as well as a membership site creation app. And this is developed by Josh Rata, which they first released it a few months ago, but I was kind of busy at that time, so I was not able to check it out. But right now, I just got access to it, so let me say what I think about this app. And I believe you have already seen and maybe used a lot of page creation tool out there, and you might be thinking, how is this different from all those tools that you have used and tried so far? And I myself tried different page creation plugins and softwares out there. And right now I'm even using a great page creation plugin from the Thrive Themes, and it's basically the one that I'm using for all of my websites as well as for my blogs. And while that is good, I still see some limitations sometimes with the tool, and so I'm still researching for some other tool that I can use, especially for creating membership sites. And I'll talk more about the membership site thing later on. Let me start my review by showing to you how to create pages using iGloo. And as you can see, I'm now here in the members area, and this is basically the dashboard that you can see once you log in. And I just finished watching all the training videos on how to use this app, and it's really amazing. So let's now try to use it in the real world scenario. And in this demo, I just want to make a page for the video creation services that we are planning to offer. And I can do that by going here to create and just add the name of the campaign here if I want to create a new campaign. But let me just close this because I already created a campaign earlier and started creating the page already. So what I can do is go here to campaign, and as you can see, here's that campaign that I already started, and I can edit that by clicking this tool here, edit campaign. Here we go, and as you can see, here's the page that I started to build. But you can simply add more pages here if you wanted to. Let's say you're promoting a digital product, let's say a membership site or something. Let's say you're selling your course online and you want to create a JB page, pre-launch pages, sales page, as well as upsell pages. Then you can simply add a lot of pages here if you wanted to. And of course, you can learn how to do that from the training itself. But right now, in this demo, let me just create a single page. And here's the template that I chose. And I already started playing with it earlier, so let me now continue. And I can do that by clicking this one, edit page. Alright, so as you can see, I already added my logo there. And you can simply do that by clicking this area here and just click this gear icon. And then right here, if you can see, just wrench kind of tool here. And then let's say you want to change this with your own logo, you can just click select image and then just upload your image from this tool. But I already did that, so let me just hit close here. And I can also add some animations in this logo if I wanted to, which is one of the things that I really love about this app, because as I said, I've been using Thrive Themes, and although Thrive Themes is also good, you cannot really add some animations within elements in your page. And the good thing about iGloo is that you can add some cool animations if you wanted to in any element in your website. And I can do that by going here to this icon here, and as you can see, I can enter some animations, and I can choose from fade, and I can preview how it looks like from there. Or I can slide from left, there we go, slide long. Probably I just choose slide right. There we go. And that's really cool, especially myself, that I'm doing a lot of video creation stuff, and I really love motion in all my design, and I love it that iGloo has that option for me to add some cool looking animations right within my page. And I remember a few months ago when I was still providing design services to certain clients, and a client asked me to add some animations in a page, and I have to ask a programmer to help me in setting those things up because it's really hard to do it. And we were able to achieve that, but again, I had to ask a help from a programmer. But right now, as you can see, even if you don't know anything about programming and JavaScript and all those crazy things, you can easily add some animations in any elements in your websites using iGloo, which is really cool. And as you can see, I already added a headline right there, custom made video for marketers. Let me add one more word here. Maybe I can add creation, so it should be custom made video creation for marketers. There we go. And as you can see, I also added a sub headline right there. And by the way, if you want to modify the text fonts and colors and all that, you can also do so. All you have to do is click here and again click this gear icon. And as you can see here, you can just choose any font that you like. You can change the color from here if you wanted to. But right now, I think I love the black over white color, so let me just leave it as that. But again, it's here that you can do those things if you wanted to. You can also resize the text and do all those customizations if you want. There we go. And here I can just change all this text as well. I can just highlight them and maybe add some things like explainer video creation, things like that, and maybe green screen editing, and add all the services that we are offering at this site. And of course, for the video, I need to change this with my own sales video, and I can do that by clicking this element itself, click the gear icon, and then go here to this wrench icon here. And as you can see, under video type, I can use a YouTube video, Vimeo video, or even HTML or custom embed. Right now, let me just use a YouTube video, and let me just find a video that I can use for this one. Alright, so here's the video that I wanted to use. Let me just copy the URL, go back to here, and then change this URL here with that URL. There we go. And as you can see, it already updated that. And if I wanted to make it autoplay, which is what I usually do with my sales videos, so let me just click yes. And I can also show controls if I wanted to. But since this is a sales page, I don't want to show any controls, so let me just click no. As well as the video title, I usually leave it as no as well. There we go. And of course, I can also modify each of these. Instead of buy now, maybe order now. And of course, I can also modify the timer. I can just click this element, the gear icon, go here to the wrench tool, and as you can see, it's here that I can add any date that I want. And you know, if you want to add some scarcity with your sales page for your buyers to grab your offer as soon as possible, you can do so by adding that timer. And today is December of 2016, so let me just choose, maybe let's say I wanna end this offer until December 15. And of course, I can just add the time here as well. I can use any time zone. For now, let me just leave it as EST. There we go. And as you can see, we now have a great looking timer over there. And of course, I can just continue and edit all these elements. So for example, at this part, again, I will change this with order now, change the timer, and also instead of that title over there, I can say our samples, and then change each of these videos with our video creation samples. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to use. You don't have to be a programmer or a designer or something. They have lots of great looking templates like this one. Although of course, if you wanted to, you can also create things from scratch. And you can see how to do all those things from the tutorials. So as you can see, that's how easy it is to create pages right within this app. And let's say I'm already done creating this page. Let me just click save, click exit. And the next question is that how then can we use that design right within our WordPress site? Well, the way it works is that install the iGloo plugin, and I already did that. So what you can do now is click this iGloo plugin here. And then what I can do is choose that campaign, which is this one, video services. And then choose the page that I just created, which is this one. And then I can add a title, let's say video services page. And then I can choose whether I wanted to save it as draft or publish it already. For now, let me just publish it and then click import. Alright, so the page has been imported already. So let's check it out by going here to pages. And here's that page that I already created. So let me just click view to check it out. There we go. So as you can see, the animation that I did happened there in the logo. And we now have a great looking page that I just created right within iGloo. And of course, I still haven't finished editing all the elements, but I just want to show you how you can import it right within your WordPress site and preview how the page looks like. And of course, I can just go back to iGloo and finish the editing so that it will look really well for the service that we are providing. But as you can see, that's how easy it is to create pages right within iGloo and import it within your WordPress site. So right now, let's also check out how we can create some membership site right within this tool as well. And I'm not gonna demonstrate to you the whole process of creating a membership site because that can take some time. But let me just show you a few things that you can do to create membership site using this tool. And before I do, let me just mention that I've been searching for something like this and I started using S2 member, which might be good, but it's very complicated. And to be honest, I had a lot of issues using that tool in my previous membership sites. And if you're not very familiar with codes and do programming and all that, I really don't recommend that plugin. And I myself was somewhat technical, but really had a lot of issues using that tool. So personally, I did not have a great experience using that. In fact, in the latest launch that I did, I had a problem. So I had to ask help from someone and we had to use another membership script for us to keep my membership site running. But right now, I just finished watching the tutorial on how to easily build membership sites using iGloo, and I wish I had something like this when I launch my latest course. I can see that it's a lot easier to use, and this might be the membership script that I will use in my next training courses. So let me now demonstrate to you on how you can use this app to create your membership site. So like creating your pages, the first thing that you need to do is go here to create and just enter a campaign. But again, I already created one earlier, so let me just hit close. Let me just go here to campaigns. And here's the membership test that I just created earlier. Let me just edit that. So click edit campaign. Here we go. And here's the template that I just chose. By the way, there are lots of templates that you can use. For example, I can go here to new page. I can go here to membership. And as you can see, there are a bunch of templates that I can choose from. And in this demo, let me just choose this one. Here we go. For me to edit this page, I can just click edit page. There we go, and as you can see, it's a pretty neat looking membership design, and I really like the way you can just add the pages of the lessons right here. And to be honest, I've been trying to do this in my membership sites in the past, but I really don't know how to do it manually, so I wasn't able to achieve this kind of design. But I'm happy that they have this particular template here that you can just easily modify. You can just add new item here and do all those things. And like I showed you earlier, you can just change the logo here, the menus and all that, and of course change this video as well. But for now, just to save time, I'll not go ahead and do all those things. Let's just imagine that I already finished editing this membership page. So let me just click save and then click exit. And then what I can do now is go here again to iGloo and then go to campaign and just choose that membership campaign that we did, which is membership test. I can choose a page, which is this one. I can just add a title, maybe page test or something. And let me just click publish and then just click import. The page has been imported. I can go here to pages and check it out. So here's that page that I just created. Let me just click view and there we go. As you can see, we have a great looking membership page. And of course, because this is just a demo, I still didn't finish doing anything, but later on I can just continue to add more lessons from here. But basically, that's how you can import a membership page within your WordPress site. Then what I can do here is go here to iGloo member and set up the membership levels, the login page, sign up page, protect pages, and all those things. What I can do is just add a level name here. For now, let me just add level 1, and I can add a redirect login. Let's say a welcome page once the user will log into the membership site. I did not add anything right now just to save time for this demo. I can also make it expire if I wanted to, but for now, let me just leave it as it is. I can also design the login URL by going here to styles. And by the way, I already customized this earlier. As you can see, there are 3 templates that I can choose from. but I just chose this first one. As you can see, I can change the background image if I wanted to. I also added my logo there already. Can change the background and all that. And let me just show you how it looks like. There we go. And as you can see, we have a nice looking login page. And look at that. If I'm moving my mouse, the background is also moving, which is pretty cool. And as you can see, I just added my logo there, which is looking great. And users can now log in from this page. You can also design your sign up page as well as your logout. So there we go. And then what I can do is go here to protect page. And let's say I want to protect that lesson that I just created. This one, membership page test. And let's say if a member is not logged in, I can just direct them to a page that says, hey, this is a protected page. If you want to access this page, you should join our membership site right now, something like that. So it's here that I can set those things up. And again, I'm not go ahead and show you all those things. Anyway, you can watch the tutorials within the membership area and learn how to do all those things. I can also set up my email settings, the sign up email. Under users, I can set the levels and also the integration from here. And as you can see, I can integrate it with PayPal as well as with JVZoo, especially that I'm using JVZoo in all my membership sites as a platform for me to sell my training courses, and iGloo has that integration, which is really great. So as I said earlier, this is probably the membership script that I will already use in my next course. So as you can see, that's basically how to create pages as well as membership sites using this wonderful platform. I really like this tool. It's very easy to use and the design is really great, and my favorite thing about the app is that I can add those animations and cool looking designs. They have great looking templates, although of course if you wanted to, you can still build things from scratch. And again, you can learn all those things from the tutorials within the members area. So I highly recommend this tool, and if you find this tool useful as well and you're planning to grab it, you can do so through my link, and you can just see the button below this video for you to do that. If you do, I have awesome bonuses for you. My first bonus is my training on how to create VSL videos. And you know me as a video guy, and I'm a professional video creator. I've been creating videos for various business owners from around the world, and I know how to craft high converting videos, and so a lot of clients love the works that I do. And so if you purchase this product through my link, I'm passing this knowledge to you on how to create VSL, because right now video is now a crucial part of any sales pages. So whether you're doing some e-commerce business, providing services, recruiting JVs and all those things, video is an essential part of that page. And that's the reason why that's the kind of bonus that I want to give to you. And this is a bonus that I created specifically for this product. And this is not a product that I already released in the past or an obsolete product that has been already released just like what everybody else is doing. This is a fresh training that you can only get if you purchase this product from me. My second bonus is my high converting video script formula, and this is a formula that I use to craft my script for my video to attract a lot more clients. So there you go. As I said, iGloo is a really wonderful product, and it's probably the best page creator and membership creator that I have ever seen. So that's it for my iGloo review. Really amazing product. I'm so excited to use it in the real world for my next pages as well as for my membership sites. And I look forward to seeing you using this tool together with me as well. So thanks a lot for watching. My name is Cham, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.